So as you all can see on your screens that our next pointer is terms and conditions. So for every business and for every profession, there are some rules and regulations so that you can do your work smoothly and don't make any mistakes. Because maybe some of your students, or maybe you are in a different profession and you never did a business in this kind of market. So basically, if you ever get attached to any organization like this, then some protocols have to be followed. And if you do not follow the protocol, then your affiliate ID can be suspended or it can get permanently terminated from Bizgurukul. Pay a lot of attention to this. So every term and condition is very important, which is already there on the website of Bizgurukul. Just visit bizgurukul.com and there is an option of terms and condition at last. And when you click on it, all the terms and conditions will be displayed. And that is very important for you if you have enrolled in the course of Bizgurukul. And that is obviously you have done. So all the terms and conditions are important. But right now, I'm going to talk about some terms and conditions that are affiliate oriented. And affiliates should know that this can't be missed at any cost. They should know that. So, three terms and conditions that you should follow. First, fraudulent activities. You have to stay away from these so that your work is done smoothly. Second is guidelines for you. And third one is what things are not allowed for affiliates. You should know all these three things. And if any of these three things you create a problem or some protocol that you don't follow, so your ID can be suspended and it can be permanently terminated from Bizgurukul. That means the business you are thinking of setting up, if you do not follow those rules, then it can be a big barrier for you in your growth in affiliate program of Bizgurukul. So what are these activities? Let me tell you. I can't tell all the details here, but let me tell you where can you read them. So basically everything is important to read. So here we go. So this is our website, Education That Matters. It is a great website. So here you see the option terms. First of all, click on terms. So if you read it all, it will be very good because all are very, very important. But for now, I'm just covering the main ones that as an affiliate, you must know. Okay. Yes. So the first is beware of fraudulent activities. And it is very important to read. It has only 8 points. Yes, only 8 points. So you have to read all of them. The next is guidelines for affiliates. Okay, so these guidelines are the guidelines you have to read, and there are only 8. So you must also read this. Before starting the work, read them all. Be sure to understand. And if you don't understand anything, like if there is a term which you don't understand, so call our customer care number and you can get solutions by calling there and you can get cleared about all this, that what is the meaning of this particular statement. So if you do not understand, you can ask them. Okay. And the third, that is the following activities are prohibited in Bizgurukul. So if you do any of these activities as an affiliate in Bizgurukul, so an action can be done to your ID. So all those activities are told here. So read these terms and conditions very carefully, and only after that you should start working in Bizgurukul affiliate program. And if you implement anything without reading, it can also happen that you can unintentionally break rules and then on your ID strict action will be taken. Okay, so take care of this. Okay, let's move on. And so the terms and conditions are already in front of you. Next is Bizgurukul value system. So basically every company has a foundation, and just like that every human being has some values, and following those values a person grows in life. And without values you can't do much in life. Like as if a person focuses on discipline and another person focuses on consistency and the other person focuses on enjoyment, as he thinks that enjoying every day is my value. So every human being has different values, but what are the values of Bizgurukul? You have to match them and you have to follow them if you want to create a good income source. So all the good entrepreneurs and all the business people, all they have a value system. And so you are among those now who are learning and learning. So it is very important for you to follow the value system. So our value system is Arise, where A stands for Act to Wow. That is, no matter whatever task you're performing in Bizgurukul, whether you build a profile or lead generation, or you interact with clients, or you're creating a post and you attend this training, or you're making notes, whatever you do in life, always look that if any activity you do, is there a wow factor in that? Here we always notice and we always focus in Bizgurukul family that anything we launch, any offer we launch, we look that is there a wow factor in it, and after seeing this, will the viewers enjoy? So bring such a factor in your life too and in your affiliate program that when you start building any profile or do anything, there must be a wow factor in it. And if someone looks at your work, they must say that, wow, this is so good. So, this is a really very important value which will help you a lot to grow in life. R, respect. And respect has two ways. First, respect of people and of your own. People and of your own both. So, respect everyone, even if it is your lead, whether it's your affiliate, whether it's Bizgurukul's management, plus respect yourself too. You should always keep in mind the respect, and if the person in front of you is getting rude to you, still the respect should not be lost. And I'm telling you that the celebrities and the big influencers, they all follow this. Because they know that if I do not respect someone, then his respect won't decrease, but my own respect will. Because respecting someone shows your nature. So always every person should be respected, whether younger or whether elder or whether it is you. You should respect yourself too. Second, respect your work. If you're working as an affiliate in Bizgurukul, so what a lot of people do that they talk bad about the same teacher and same school they are studying in. Is it right? So it is very important to respect your work and respect in terms of work also. So just think, if you say that in Bizgurukul it's been 3 days or it's been a month, but you didn't learn anything and you didn't purchase any course. So are you really respecting it that you're talking about? Or you are just saying that I have enrolled, but not respecting, you're disrespecting. So keep in mind that it is very important to respect. Now, I stands for integrity. Integrity is a very powerful thing that will help you grow a lot in life. Integrity, let me tell you, such accountability and such a trust factor where no one is watching you, but still you are trustworthy. I will tell you with an example. Suppose you say that I have been working in Bizgurukul for a month, but you should know that how much you have worked. If you know that you didn't put any efforts, then accept that I didn't put any efforts, so I didn't get the results. What are we taught and what we learn that in exams, when we fail or didn't get good marks, when the family members ask that why you have got such low marks, we always say that everyone's marks are less. We don't have our own integrity, especially within the Indians. We don't say that the marks are not good because I didn't study. Just because I'd get scolded, so I lied. You may lie to others, but can you lie to yourself? Always follow integrity, and if you're working in Bizgurukul as an affiliate or you're working on your own startup or you're doing anything like that, then no one is watching you, no one is the boss. So you need to be true to yourself. So integrity is the most important thing. Another in second way, people steal leads of others. This is very wrong. People steal money from their leads and ask to give it to them. It is absolutely illegal in Bizgurukul if you get someone's money in your account. Whether it is on Bizgurukul name or whatever it is completely illegal. There will be strict action on your ID. But people ask and they disappear. You should never do such a mistake, because I'm telling you the truth that you will never be able to grow with all these things. These things are for lifetime and they will help you to grow. So integrity is the most important thing and it is a very serious thing. So let's talk about the next one. So the next is service mindset. Whatever amount you earn here, start contributing to the society. Now, contributing to the society isn't always income oriented, as you're making a great income from Bizgurukul. Service mindset means that you have the Bizgurukul opportunity and it is your duty to make this platform accessible to more people so that they can become independent. This is a service mindset. And if you will always talk to the clients with the motive of conversion and generating commissions, then you won't be able to grow anymore. Think yourself, if you had been a businessman, like Bizgurukul is really growing today. Everyone knows that we are creating money and the company is creating money. So if today we are trying to make the company more bigger and we are giving 70% commission and all the commission is distributed to you, So why are we doing all this? Why the company is giving so many offers? Why are we doing so many things? Because we know that if we want to develop this nation, then we have to provide more good things to more people. This is service mindset. So if you want to grow a lot in life, service mindset is the only option for you to keep on growing continuously. It is very important, okay? And yes, whatever income you create, donate something to the poor. I mean, it feels good if you contribute to the nation. Now, E, that is excellence. Work in such a way that every work, I'm not talking about doing it perfectly, but I'm talking about doing your best. And can you say that if I edited this video or designed this profile, or I have talked to this client, or I have talked to this person, or I have created these notes today, have I done it properly? Means focus on quality, not quantity. Always look at the work you are doing. Are you able to create excellence in it? I'm not talking about doing it perfectly, I'm talking about excellence. Okay, so always do everything in such a way that you have full focus on it and you give your 100% to it. It is very important. So, this value system is followed by Bizgurukul, and you should also follow this so that you can grow massively too. So, let's go and move on. Beware of all these scams. Too much scams are happening in the market right now. Beware of them, because when you join Bizgurukul or an affiliate program, a lot of outsiders will get to know about your weaknesses and they will take advantage of that. They already know that you are at a starting stage and you need followers and leads. So these kind of scams are there. People will start selling you fake followers. They'll be like, give me some money and your follower count will increase. Followers even increase too, but they all are fake, due to which your account gets banned or your account's reach decreases totally. So take care not to fall for these scams. Leads ask for money. Leads say that I have only 500 less. Well, you know that any package in Bizgurukul, if you sell it on a lower price, so that is also illegal. Action can be taken on your ID too. But leads ask for money. I've heard many cases where leads said, my mother is sick or someone else is sick, and in this they ask for 10,000, 15,000 rupees, and affiliates even give it to them. And people have got scammed totally. So take care of it and do not blindly trust anyone. So take care of this. Now, fake views, fake leads data, that I'll give you data of many leads and you will get a lot of leads. Just stay away from these people. Useless trainings. Some say that if you see this training, then your closing will become good. And this training would make your profile building good. And there are so many random people who hold these kind of training sessions and say that after this training you will be benefited. Avoid these scams absolutely. And yes, if there is a trainer who is authentic, who is a good professional trainer, even outside of Bizgurukul, that does not matter. If you're learning something from him, then definitely do it. But just stay away from scanners. Just beware of them. And not only this, there can be many more things. So no matter what, that anything comes to you where you're giving money, where you have to pay. So take care of this. Are you going to the right place? Take great care of it. Okay. So moving on. These are important stuff. The points I'm going to tell you are very important. Means I'm going to tell you after aggregating all my experience that if you follow this, you will definitely grow faster. So the first one is, build a bad habit of making notes of everything you're learning. Ever since you have started working, I hope you have made notes, and if not, then do it. Make notes of everything I'm going to tell you. Make a bad habit of making notes. I'm telling you, it is very important. I know you never did in school or college, but now here we are responsible over here. We are working on things we want to grow in life. So start making notes. Second, this training which you are watching in a recorded form, along with this, whatever live trainings happen, whether it is Hall of Fame session of Bizgurukul, Millionaire Show, Hindi trainings or English trainings, whether it is Sunday special training or prime training, do keep watching live trainings regularly. Because if you do this, your regular motivation remains and your regular knowledge keeps on upgrading. So you keep on working regularly. So this is very important. It is a secret that good achievers follow. So if regularly you keep attending live training, there is not more than one training in a day, and 1 hour can be taken out for the trainings. So it is very important to watch the live trainings. Okay? If you can't watch the live trainings, then don't worry. The recorded training is available after 24 hours. So just put the habit of watching it in recorded form according to your time, but watching training regularly is a must. Okay? Third, whether you work part-time or full-time, but never work sometime. You might be in a school or you might be in college. Just take care that you have to work within fixed hours, and you have to fix your working hours. Like here I have written how can you do that. So as I've told you earlier, and I'll tell you again, that as you move towards the skill set, so you'll get to know that if you want to generate income from Bizgurukul's affiliate program, then you have to do these three things, that is profile building, lead generation and conversion. So an hour for profile building, an hour for lead generation, and then another hour for conversion. Whether you are in school or you are a teacher or doing a job or any profession you are in, can't you pull 3 hours of day for your growth and to build massive income? So you have to have 2 to 3 hours. So always keep these 3 hours fixed, that you have to give it some particular time anyhow. And how to manage the 3 hours, that you have to do it yourself, because it is your life and only you know that when your time goes waste or when you are free. Okay, so only 3 hours. Next point, watch introduction video of every course. Every course's demo video, when you go to our website bizgurukul.com, to the courses section, so many courses will be available. Now what does an affiliate does? An affiliate promotes courses in the market, and when to promote, when he or she have the knowledge about the courses. And why people would purchase the courses? There is only a simple reason behind it, that people want to know how can I create income by developing skills from these courses. But for that, you should know what is inside the courses and how can you create income of them. So you must watch the demo videos of each of the course. And where to find the demo videos? Go to the course section on the website. There you will see all the courses. Now go to module of each course and watch the introduction video. Okay, then you will know that if it is stock mastery or whether it is sales mastery or podcast mastery, you will get to know about each course, and even you will get to know about what are the benefits of each course, so that you can tell further in the market. So you should have a proper knowledge about it. So make proper notes. Okay. Next, there are some courses which I am personally recommending you, no matter what, which profession you are in or which way you want to grow. These courses will help you a lot in the long run in affiliate business also, and in everything. Yes, in everything. If you want to make a powerful personality, then these courses are everything. So you must watch the personality development course. You must watch Video Superstar, Master Public Speaker, and Sales. Look, personality development and Video Superstar are in the branding mastery. So, okay, so when you upgrade, then Master Public Speaker and Sales Mastery and Facebook Ads Mastermind, these three courses are even more important. So that will help you grow a lot. So these are the most highly recommended if you don't want to study all the courses, but definitely study these if you want to generate a good income in Bizgurukul affiliate program. Okay, so this was the important thing that I wanted to share with you. Now, the last slide, which equipments are required if you want to work in Bizgurukul as an affiliate. So what all equipments do you need to do the work? So there are two basic requirements. So first one is not even an equipment. So initially you should have a mobile phone and internet. So you are already sitting with a mobile phone and an internet connection. So these two things are required to generate a good income. But now if here you haven't come with short-term goals, but you have long-term goals and a career perspective, and you are here to become a millionaire, if it is so in the long run, when you start earning income, then where you have to invest the money, I will tell you as you start creating results here. And it will be according to the roadmap we have discussed. So first of all, you need a good quality camera, or you can buy a mobile phone with a good camera quality, because you will have to make videos, and if you do profile building, it plays a very important role. So you should have ring lights, a good mic, like I have put a collar mic here as it has a great voice clarity. Okay, background wallpaper. It means that if there is no such background in your house which is good enough, then you can go with wallpaper as your background. So whenever you make a video or while making content, the background behind you looks good. Okay. Now it is necessary to have a good Wi-Fi and a laptop, because in the long run you will have to operate a lot on laptop if you want to grow on a large scale. Not initially, but yes, when you grow on a big level or you cross 50,000, so start paying attention to these things. They are really very important. Okay, so these are the equipments. Now all the things in the step 1 you have completed. You have completed the step 2, and now it's time to learn the real skill. By implementing those, you will start generating results. So let's move to the next video.